Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In today's session, we are going to learn about Sales Competitor and how to create a Sales Competitor in Oracle Fusion application. Sales Competitor. The Sales Competitor page is used to store information about the sales competition. As the sales administrator, you create the competitor profile. Salespeople can associate competitor with opportunities, associate product group with competitors, and view competitor details. Key features of sales competitor. First one is competitor profile. Stores several aspects of competitor companies such as name, URL, trade level, and industries and geographies where the competitor are doing businesses. Competitor in opportunities. Associate competitor information with opportunities both at opportunity level and at the product line level. After salespeople associate a competitor with an opportunity, the competitor profile shows opportunity with the competitor is present. Let's move on to the application. This is the home page of the Oracle Fusion application. Click on Navigator, click on Sales, and click on Competitor. On the Review Competitor page, click on Create button. This is plus sign over here. Click on that. In the Create Competitor page, let's enter the competitor name in the organization name. You can enter a suffix such as private limited or company. The suffix is automatically appended to the name in the application. You can insert a chief executive name. You can insert a line of business. You can also enter the US number. You can select this organization size. Let's select the organization size. You can enter the establishment year, thread level. Select the thread level. People can use the thread level to filter their competitor searches. Is high, low, and medium. Year incorporated. Let's enter the year incorporated. You can insert a stock symbol. You can also insert the fiscal year, month. Let's enter the fiscal year and month. These all fields are optional to enter the information about the competitor. Any additional information you enter in is only visible on the competitor's work area. Only competitor name is visible while selecting the competitor in the opportunity. Let's click on the Save and Close. You can see here BISP Infonet, a competitor is created. Click on that. This is the whole information about the BISP Infonet competitor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.